Welcome to Valpo Softball Weekly. We're joined once again with Coach Jordan Stevens. Coach, we're in the final regular season weekend of the 2011 campaign, and you have an upcoming 3-game series at home, and a lot still at stake, a lot still on the line for Valpo softball. So walk us through what could happen this weekend and what you expect through the series.
Sure. Well, this weekend we have Cleveland State coming in. Right now we're sitting tied with Loyola at the top of the standings. Cleveland State, depending on what they do in their series this weekend with Detroit, or this week they're playing right now with Detroit, could come in almost a tie with us, actually probably a half game ahead. So the series with Cleveland State is big, not only for what we want to do for the regular season, our chances of winning the regular season, but for setting up the postseason as well. So there's 4 teams that could still win it. Butler's sitting at home; they don't get to play this weekend, but us, Loyola, and Cleveland State all still have a chance to win it.
And I could imagine the opportunity to host, or even to finish in second place and get that first round bye, has a lot to do with setting yourself up for success in the Horizon League tournament.
Yeah, getting the bye would be huge for us. It gets us an extra day of practice, lets the other 4 teams go at it for an extra day, and obviously we would love the opportunity to host. That, anytime you can sleep in your own beds, that's a big advantage for us. But we just need to not worry about where we might finish or what other teams might do to help us out. But we just have to take care of Cleveland State this weekend.
You just finished a series last weekend up at Green Bay. Prior to that, you had a few rainouts. Do you feel like your team has had enough work, enough activity over the past 2 to 3 weeks to really finish the season strong and lead you into the Horizon League tournament where you want to be? Well,
the rainouts definitely didn't help us, but with that, we still were able to work a lot. We had some quality practices. Green Bay, got us in Game 1 up there, but I was really proud of the way that we responded to getting defeated in Game 1 with a run rule victory right in Game 2 and putting 10 up on the board in Game 3. So I'm really happy with where we're at. I think we're in a really good place going into Cleveland State.
And what about the quick turnaround? You find out this weekend whether you're going to host, or if you're a 2nd seed, 3rd seed, or even 4th seed, as you mentioned. And how do you prepare for that? Is it just a matter of dealing with that come Sunday evening, or are you making some steps now to prepare for the tournament next week?
Yeah, we really, in terms of preparing for the tournament, we've had 48 games, and that's been our preparation for the tournament. So we haven't done anything specifically for the tournament yet. We start today preparing for Cleveland State, and that's where our focus is. Okay.
Well, thanks, Coach, and we'll be back next week as we wrap up the regular season and look ahead to the Horizon League tournament. Hopefully we'll be talking about Valpo hosting, but regardless, we'll be back with Coach Jordan Stevens to talk about the 2011 Horizon League softball tournament. All the best this weekend, Coach.
Thank you.